What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday to you. And we've got some news to talk about in this video. So as you can see, I'm kind of on location right now. I actually broke my Mac charger, so I got to get a new one later today at Best Buy, and we'll be making some videos back on the computer, back in the desk. But that'll be for tomorrow. Today, I'm going to have some videos like this on the go. I've got a bunch of things going on, but Shiba Inu is getting into AI, and we've been actually talking about this for probably around a month now. There's a company called Bad Idea AI, and we've been seeing Lucy and Shytoshi hint at this partnership. It is actually listed now as an official partnership, along with the Shiba Cows initiative as well, bringing in real life component to NFTs. But back to the AI issue. Okay, so one of the issues that SHIB is trying to solve here is to form a decentralized AI system, right? Right now, AI is taking off. We cannot, deny that fact. Here's the problem. Most of all the big AI bots right now are controlled by who? Centralized authorities. So Shiba Inu decided, hey, why don't we create a decentralized AI system that rivals the likes of Google Cloud? And that is what's happening here with Bad Idea AI. We know that the future of AI is massive. It's not going anywhere. And if SHIB can capitalize on this the shift into AI, in addition to this, it adds a further use case for the DAO. It also helps with Shiboshis, the NFTs. All of this is kind of coming together with Shibarium, with the Metaverse. Here's the thing with AI, right? We're kind of looking at this as almost a Web 4 transformation, because Web 3, it's relatively new, right? It's not brand new though. Web 3 has been out for a little bit. Here's the issue. They weren't really factoring in AI into Web 3. Now with Web 4, these type of companies, and now Shiba Inu, getting into the mix, getting into the fold here and trying to get out ahead of the future of AI. And they see it as a Web 4, stepping stone, right? Yes, Web 3 is still new. We're still trying to get companies to kind of shift and make that move from Web 2 to Web 3. This is how fast technology is moving though. And the fact that Shiba Inu is ahead of this, trying to get ahead of it with their new AI bot, this is a big deal, right? And they haven't revealed completely what all is going to take place here, but I just wanted to mention that in this video, Shiba Inu is focused on artificial intelligence. And I think this is bullish if you're in SHIB, Bone, or Leash. By the way, Bone and Leash have been making a tremendous run. Bone back up over $1.40 right now. Really been watching this one closely. We started talking about that as soon as Bone got up over 85 cents. Really, really liked where the trajectory was. And I just love the fact that SHIB is kind of on the cutting edge of the Metaverse, cutting edge of AI now as well. So we'll be keeping close tabs on this, but just wanted to bring this up to you, this update for you, and we'll see where this goes with Shiba Inu getting into AI. And there's going to be a lot more on this front to kind of see how this all unfolds. Appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.